Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to repaint your wheels if you've got some chips or scratches in them. These Infinity wheels have a few little nicks and chips in them, so we're going to basically sand them down and paint them. Real quick, cheap, probably $25, $30 in materials and time. And you'll have your wheels looking great, plus it'll be a darker gray. What's up guys? Thanks for watching the video today. I just wanted to show you this Duplicolor paint. I've used this a number of times on different wheels. Actually, this set of wheels that I'm doing in this video, I actually did the same exact type of wheel that I put on an Acura a few years ago. And it held up really good, it looked great. I love the dark metallic gray on black. It looks really sinister in my opinion. But anyway, this stuff, they sell it at the auto store. It's probably, I don't know, I'd say it's something like $8 a can. So you need 3 of these to do 4 wheels on the average wheel, 18 to 20 inch wheel. You're gonna need some 320 grit sandpaper, some acetone, masking tape, some kind of cardboard or plastic or aluminum to make a shield, as you'll see in the video. Just cut a little arch, set it against the rim, protect the tire from being painted. You want to make sure you 320, or you could use a scotchbrite. Sand the rim down, get rid of all the shininess. This is for painted and aluminum, cast aluminum wheels. I don't recommend using chrome or steel wheels with this. You probably could, I never have. But I love the way this stuff turns out. You sand it down to where there's no shine left on the wheel. You tape off the valve stem, you remove the center cap, or you can leave it if you want to paint it. Although I would still take it out and paint it off the wheel. Make sure everything's clean, surface is clean. Put some newspaper or cardboard down underneath. As you can see, I didn't in the video. Painted a little circle on the ground, but that's okay because that's just the outside the shop and it gets constantly painted. So go ahead and spray 1 light coat of this, let it get tacky. Make sure you're getting all sides of the spokes. So you may want to go straight on it and then go from the left side, go around the rim, then go right side, go around the rim. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then you want to do probably 2 to 3 more coats of like about a medium to heavy amount of paint. Pressing all the way down, keeping maybe about this far away from the surface, and you want to move it about this speed. Not too slow to it's going to drip, just fast enough to where it won't drip, but you should have lots of light where you're painting so you can see the reflection of the light. You'll be able to see a nice glossy surface, a nice wet surface. When this dries, it's like a satin, but when it's wet, it looks like a gloss. You could clear coat it if you wanted to after. Personally, I think the satin looks really good. In the past, I've tried plasti dipping wheels, and a couple things about the plasti dip. It really, I guess, oxidizes. It gets really, like, I guess, flat, and it starts to look really bad after a little while. And then it can start to peel off, and then you got to peel the whole rim. I'm not a fan of plasti dipping wheels. This stuff, I never had it peel off or anything like that. If I actually scratched the rim or hit it with something to where it scratched through this, it touches up super easy with just a nice couple quick coats. Pop the wheel off and do the same thing as I'm doing in this video. Clean it up, scuff it, and paint it. It's super simple. I bet you could probably even use a brush and touch up a little scratches, but the process I use is sand it, get the 320 or scotchbrite, get the gloss off of it, make sure it's clean, wipe it down with acetone or a pre-cleaner. That gets rid of all the oil and the dirt. And then you get your shield out like you'll see in the video. You go around, you do your first coat, let it sit a few minutes, do your second medium to heavy coat, and do that 2 to 3 times. Once you're done with that, you want to leave it sit for a little bit, put it out in the sun. If you've got overspray on the tire, not a big deal. Take the acetone and try not to get it on the painted wheel surface, but the tire, you can wipe the whole sidewall of the tire clean. It's gonna be super clean and ready for your tire dressing, your armor all, your tire wet, whatever it is you use, and then it's gonna look really good. As you can see in the video, it took me to, two of the rims had some scratches on them that I had to actually sand, but the other ones with the scotchbrite and everything, it took me probably about an hour and a half to do 4 wheels, and then I let them out in the sun for a couple hours, and I put them away, and they looked really good. In the sun, they looked like a bright metallic gray, I guess it's like a dark metallic gray. And then in the shade, towards the end of the video, when I put them in the storage, you can see in the dark, they have a really nice dark gray look to them. So anyway, if you have any questions, just let me know. This is the Duplicolor wheel paint. Not sponsored by them or anything, but I just wanted to let you guys know this stuff does work. And they have different colors of it. They have lighter color, they have black, they have a clear coat you can buy. And just 3 cans of this for about 25, 30 bucks. I mean, it's a great complete changeover to the look of your car. So enjoy, and again, post any questions down below that you have. I'll try to answer them for you. All right, so that's basically how you paint those wheels. You know, you're gonna sand them down with 320, and then you may need to primer and sand a little more if you have any scratches. If it's gouged, you may need to take them to a rim repair shop to get those fixed. But if you're just changing the color, 320, sand it with 320 dry, and then wipe it with acetone or pre-cleaner. And then this stuff right here, the Duplicolor Wheel Performance Coating. It's really good. What I found, if you get any overspray on the tires, you can just use acetone. It'll wipe the overspray right off. But wait until the wheel's dry before you do that, or it'll take the paint off as well from the wheel. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day.